tonight? Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind.
Everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to do a grocery haul. We're going to do some cleaning, all the things. This video was filmed over the course of a couple of days, so it's kind of all over the place, but I really wanted to show y'all the grocery haul. So I'm going to go ahead and just start putting all the groceries on the counter. We did get cold food, but we had already put that away, and I'll just show y'all the inside of the fridge, which I'm also going to be organizing more this week. We have a fridge outside now, so that way we can move some stuff over there and make a little more room in this one.
But baby, I'm so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, you wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, oh.
Okay guys, so we just went to the grocery store. We went to Sam's Club and we went to HEB. My in-laws are in town, so we made sure to stock up on food for the week. So I'm just going to go over it real quick. We got some potatoes, some bigger potatoes. We like these for baking. So those are really good to season them up, cut them up, and put them in the oven. And then we got these for fries and stuff like that. We got a big thing of rice, a big thing of beans, some lemons. I'm trying to drink more lemon water. Got a couple of things of black beans, some Miss Buttersworth, some chips, some snacks that the kids already got into, some grapes, some blueberries. These we got the other day. Then we got the kids some snack packs. They already gotten that. We got a big thing of chicken broth. We use that a lot for cooking. A couple things of cereal, some more dish detergent for the dishwasher. I picked up some files. Tomorrow is Jeremiah's birthday, so we're gonna do a cake here. Got some straws, and then over here I got the tomato bouillon. My husband got some stuff for seasoning. He's gonna be doing a brisket tonight. Bread. We got some strawberry syrup, some Funfetti Oreo. The kids love that. Some marshmallows and hot chocolate, some milk chocolate brownie mix. I really like the mayo with olive oil. That's my favorite. My husband picked up some Chick-fil-A sauce, so that should be good. The baby picked these up. We got some sugar, some cookies. These were at Sam's Club. This was like 15 bucks for all these towels. I go through a lot of cleaning cloths, so that's nice to have. We also got some ragu. The baby loves chow mein, so we got him a couple more of those. He already has some in the pantry too. We got some oatmeal. We got these the other day for the kids, and then my mother-in-law and father-in-law really like this wine. It's very, very good. We're gonna get that cold and have a few of those tonight. Some Clorox wipes. These are good for everyday cleaning, and especially with the toilets and stuff that you don't want to use your towels on. I like having those. We got some lotion because the winter is making us very dry. We got those the other day. We did chili and hot dogs, and it was just so good. We got some pretzel sticks. I like to munch on those when I'm editing. I got those the other day too. The coffee caramel coffee, so good. We got some Gain detergent, some Downy, what else? Oh, and then we got the big bag of the white wings. This is what we make tortillas with. And this was some of the cornbread that we had with the chili. It's the jalapeno cornbread. That's really good. So yeah, I need to get all of this put away. If you look back there in the living room, everything is crazy right now with, we also got some oranges and bananas. Jazzy wanted to try one of these dragon fruit. So, and then my mother-in-law is making some kind of chicken tonight, but the fridge is out of control full. We have to go get bags. We forgot bags, so we need to bag everything. That's the brisket that my husband's gonna cook. But yeah, it's a lot in here, a lot in the freezer, like stacked full. And then I need to rearrange all of this and figure out how I'm gonna fit everything in here. And over here, this is where we're building the shelves for storage. So we got 2 done already. We have a few more that are gonna go down here. But we also got some toilet paper, paper towels, some napkins, stuff like that. So anyway, I'm gonna wait for my husband and them to finish this project before I start stocking over here. But I am gonna go ahead and we'll work on this over here because it's a mess. So we'll do that now.
Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, I so stay. I don't mind a little cry.
So we're going to be designing a new layout for this pantry room with the shelving and everything. There's just a lot of wasted space in here. So we want to modify this room to our needs. And I'm really looking forward to that because like I said, it is so hard cramming everything that we need in here. So not a lot of cabinet space in the kitchen, and we definitely need all the room in the pantry we can get as well. So we're going to be working on that soon. I am loving the way that the shelves turned out for the storage area where I keep all the cleaning products, household products, toilet paper, paper towels. I showed y'all a little bit of that earlier. And in the next video, I'll show you how we stock all that and how it all turned out. It is really nice to have that all organized and everything again. But anyway, we're almost done in here, and then we're going to skip forward to the next day and clean up a little bit again. I just wanted to get the groceries all put away and tidy up on this day.
But baby, I so stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, I so stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I so stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, I so stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, I so stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, I so stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last.
So this is the next day. We had our son's 4th birthday. Jeremiah Colt turned 4 years old, and we just stayed in because the kids were all just getting over being sick. We didn't want to take them out and risk them getting sick again or anything, or getting anyone else sick. So we all decided to stay in. My in-laws were down, and we just had a good time with them in the house. And he had his presents. He got some roller skates. He got a soccer goal and a soccer ball. He had a good birthday, so that was really good. But yeah, it's been a long few weeks. The new year is really coming in strong, just hitting us every which way, but we're trying to just work through it. We know everything will pass and everything will get back on track, but it's just been a crazy start to the new year. How is y'all's new year going? I wanted to go ahead and restock all the bags and everything. I like having those right there in the drawer where they're easy to grab. We use bags like crazy around here for storage. So anyway, I needed to get all that cleaned up. I needed to get the counters wiped down, so I'm just going to clean those off really quick. We had found some glass jars when we were in Houston, and we ended up leaving them at my mother-in-law's house because we didn't have any more room in the truck to put anything. So she had brought some stuff down that I need to go through. There's a lot of Christmas decor and fall decor and a lot of stuff that I need to go through and organize. It's all piled on one side of the living room. So this week I definitely need to get to all that. It's a lot going on. And yeah, I need to start working on the cleaning routines for y'all. So hopefully I can get a couple of those videos up as well next week. I plan on posting a lot more this year. I'm working on a Facebook page right now, and once all that's done, I'll link everything on my channel. So if y'all want to go check those different social media platforms out, that would be really cool and help me out a lot. But I'll let y'all know when everything's finished. I'm kind of working on that here and there. So yeah, it's been a really busy year so far, and just trying to take it easy and not stress too much. So yeah, let me know, like I said, down in the comments how y'all's 2023 is going so far.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me one more.
I also wanted to say thank you so much for everybody who's leaving comments on the last video, telling us some of your cleaning routines, telling us, like, there was even one from a professional cleaner, and I actually pinned her comment because her advice was really, really good. We're going to take a video to go through all that kind of stuff soon, so I can't wait for that, but I'm going to put one together for y'all so we can kind of go through the comments together and all that stuff. But anyway, now we're in the living room. I needed to get it all cleaned up and tidy. We had the baby learning how to do his roller skates on the carpet there, which worked really well. He is getting the hang of it, but on the wood floors, no, he was all over the place like a newborn giraffe. So anyway, it was so cute watching him. He has the helmet, he has the pads. He's so cute when he's all in his gear. But yeah, the kids love doing stuff like that, so we're gonna get the other two some of their own rollerblades as well. That's why we're trying to get the barn cleaned out as well, so that way they'll have some room to skate around out there and absolutely not do it in the house. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this stuff up. I'm using Murphy oil soap mixed with water to clean all the wood tables, and now I'm just gonna sweep the floors really quick. I know a lot of you ask me why I don't vacuum. I do vacuum sometimes, but when there's a lot of big stuff and I need to get into little bitty crevices, I would just rather get the broom out and sweep it really good. So I do both, but when it's like this, I usually just get the broom out and go at it.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need.
So now we're in the kids' bathroom, and I just needed to tidy up in here a little bit. I don't use this bathroom often, so it does get away from me sometimes, but I try to come in here at least once a day or once every couple of days at least and tidy it up and freshen it up. I'm using the plunger to get the water level down in the bowl, so that way more of the cleaner can sit on the bowl so it's easier to clean. But yeah, I just needed to come wipe everything down in here, and then we're gonna head over and clean the boys' room really quick.
Boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow.
Yet we do have a shelf we're gonna add in here, and we also need to finish the baseboards, and I need to do some touch-ups with the paint. I need to do the trim, so there's quite a bit that needs to be done in here. But anyway, it's livable and they do not complain. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and tidy up in here. I try to do this room at least every couple of days, because if I don't, it will get out of hand, and I'd rather just keep it nice and tidy. So you'll be seeing this room a lot more in the videos. I don't show my daughter's room. She is a preteen, and I give her that privacy. But the boys are still very small, so I don't mind coming in and tidying up their room.
And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another?
Enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, please feel free to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I will talk to y'all in the next one. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.
So wish me good luck.